Hey, planning a vacation? Want to spend time in a nice Caribbean getaway? This is Vybz Kartel, and take my advice. Come to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You know what I mean? No? Oh.
This Vybz Kartel video was posted on the St. Vincent and the Grenadines official tourism Facebook page on August the 24th, and it has broken the internet in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There is like a firestorm of controversy, conversations taking place on the morning radio shows in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, on Instagram, on all social media platforms, as to when did Vybz Kartel become the face of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I've been following this from day one, from the first day that Vybz Kartel went on that private plane and flew to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You know, I've been following this story closely because as someone that I have a lot of stake in both countries, in Jamaica as a born Jamaican and in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, because my wife is from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Our kids have, you know, Vincy roots. So St. Vincent has become like a second home to me. So I have a lot of interest in both countries. So once Vybz Kartel went on that plane and flew to St. Vincent, I had an idea what potentially could happen, because as mentioned in previous videos, being in St. Vincent and seeing the big posters of Ralph all around St. Vincent with, you know, world boss, 5-star general. As soon as I got wind that Vybz Kartel was heading there, I knew what was about to happen. I knew it could be political. And later found out that he could be going for medical treatment. But my thinking is that Vincent world boss, Jamaican world boss, there's got to be some political connection. So now, a lot of Vincentians have questioned, when did Vybz Kartel become the unofficial face of the St. Vincent and the Grenadine tourism sector, because of this ad that was released. There's a lot of interest. Hopefully, like, it will attract a lot of interest, like it will shine more of a light on the tourism product in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. But for now, it's just a lot of controversy going on there. So to give you an idea of the controversy going on the ground in St. Vincent and the Grenadines as we speak, today a local lawyer, Joe Thomas, did an interview with one of Vincentian radio station, where he stated that Vybz Kartel, being the face of tourism for St. Vincent and the Grenadines, is very bad for business. And in his interview, just wanted to know, when did this happen? When did Vybz Kartel become the face of St. Vincent and the Grenadines? And stated that if it's because he's so popular, and further on went to say that there's a lot of popular people that are in prison, why not just go let them also be the face of St. Vincent and the Grenadines? He stated in the interview, like, there's El Chapo is famous, you know, El Chapo is rich, why not make El Chapo the face of St. Vincent and the Grenadines? He went on to say, like, R. Kelly is very famous too, you know, why not just go ahead, you know, sarcastically saying, why not just go ahead and make all of these famous people that are in prison be the face of St. Vincent and the Grenadines? Because in what he's saying, that Vybz Kartel, who in his eye a convicted criminal, not stating that, okay, Vybz Kartel was released from prison. So this lawyer is one of the many people out there that don't think that because the Privy Council quash or overturn the conviction does not necessarily mean that Vybz Kartel was not guilty of what he was charged for. So that's pretty much what the lawyer was saying, that in his eyes, a convicted criminal is now the face of St. Vincent and the Grenadines tourism product, and it's not a good look for Vincent tourism, regardless of the benefits. If there's any benefits because of his popularity, the lawyers still think that it's not worth it. And interestingly, there's a lot more people in St. Vincent and people from St. Vincent that are in the diaspora that were weighing in on this controversy. So I'm going to read a few of the messages that were on social media so you can have an idea of what we're talking about. Okay, so I pulled up 8 comments from the comment section from all of these videos that went viral. I'm going to give you an idea of what people are saying about the situation that's going on in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So I'm going to read the good one, the bad ones first. So this one said, you know, keep him over there. He's a demon and bad influence for our youth. That's number 1. Number 2 said the government are criminals just like Kartel. That's number 2. Number 3 say, don't worry, America is watching Ralph. His days are numbered. That's number 3. And number 4 said, shame on Marlon Samuels and Ralph. You sitting with a criminal, you are a disgrace. That is number 4 from all the bad comments that came in. The good ones now. Someone said, you know, stop talking foolishness. Kartel is just telling people about the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Number 2, tourism is about to go up. Kartel just telling people about the beautiful island. Number 3, people are saying, this one is, thank you, Kartel. I want to visit St. Vincent now because of him being there. Yeah, so these are just some of the comments that, you know, I took out of the comment section. And the last one, it said, you know, Kartel is not a felon. You know, so just to give you an idea, and these are just the ones that I could read, because there's some of them that I don't want to read on my platform because it's so outrageous. So just to give you an idea of what people are saying about this controversy that's going on in St. Vincent right now. There's also a second commercial that Marlon Samuels did that, interestingly, there's not a lot of backlash for what Marlon Samuels did. I guess because Marlon Samuel, you know, a famous cricketer, visited St. Vincent in numerous times, play cricket there, and of course he is never a convicted criminal. So people didn't have a problem with Marlon Samuels being like a face for St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So let's take a look at Marlon Samuels' promotion of St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Hi, I'm Marlon Samuels. I'm here in the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It's such a wonderful place. Back then it was a little bit challenging to get here. From then to now it's been a hidden gem. But it's much easier to get here now, to see the 32 islands, unlimited keys. You can now leave from New York straight to St. Vincent because we have an international airport, and you can fly from Miami straight to St. Vincent. I'm definitely an ambassador of St. Vincent. I'm from Jamaica, where you got a lot of beaches, you have mountains, very beautiful island. But there's a little bit of uniqueness about St. Vincent, because you have the main island where you have beach, you have white sand beach, black sand beach, you have the volcano. There's so much attraction here to see. There's so much to do, and if you want, you can go on the boat and go and see the Keys. You can see Beckway. There's so much here to see. Y'all are welcome here. Jamaica has made $2 billion in January and February with tourism. And I'm looking forward, and I'm wishing that St. Vincent starts seeing those traffic coming here also, and all those stars that comes to Jamaica. This is definitely a destination that you have to come before y'all leave this beautiful earth. St. Vincent and the Grenadines, I am now officially a son of the Sile. I'm out.
Yes, so that was Marlon Samuel's video promoting St. Vincent and the Grenadines and just showing you the contrast between Jamaica and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And I must say, like, St. Vincent is a beautiful country, especially like if you like the water, if you like to be on the water, if you like, spectacular views, like everywhere you turn, it's almost like every house in St. Vincent, there is a view. And I've been to quite a few countries, and St. Vincent and I would say Cuba are two of my favorite countries that I've ever been to. So it is worthwhile, visiting. If you're from Jamaica, if you're from anywhere in the Caribbean, I think Caribbean people need to start traveling within the Caribbean more, because traveling is not just in the US or in Canada and the UK. The Caribbean is beautiful. So I would encourage, if you're watching this and you're from Jamaica, you're from Trinidad, you're from Barbados, anywhere, and you have never been to St. Vincent, go to St. Vincent. So guys, let me know what you think about this controversy. Do you think Vybz Kartel promoting St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a bad idea because of his criminal record? Do you think, if you're from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, do you think Vybz Kartel can be the face of tourism for St. Vincent and the Grenadines? Just sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And do you think, again, that this is like political with the Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves relationship or friendship with Vybz Kartel? Do you think it's politically motivated? Do you think because of that why he would get him to do a tourism ad? Just sound off in the comment section and let me know what you think. And please, try to keep it respectful, no swearing, no, disrespecting each, Jamaica or St. Vincent and the Grenadines, because I've seen a lot of that disrespect in some other videos, and we're trying to stay away from that. If you think that Kartel should not be there, you can say that, you can say it in a respectful way, but do not try to stay away from, pitting the countries against each other. This is between the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and Vybz Kartel, so just keep it there. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.